Okay guys, pahinga na tayo sa Senate Cup. Totoong basketball naman tayo ulit ngayon. LPU versus CSB dito lang sa PhilOil. Nagpahinga itong 19 PhilOil Eco-Oil Preseason Cup ng more than 2 weeks kasi ginamit tong PhilOil Arena dahil sa MPL. Alam mo yun, di ba? Manny Pacquiao's Legends. Hindi, joke lang. Basta Mobile Legends yun guys. Ginamit rin daw pala ito ng graduation ng JR. So natigil ng more than 2 weeks. So at least eto, balik na tayo sa PhilOil. Patrabaho tayo as game announcer. So guys, yes, nag-game announcer po talaga ako. Nag-play-by-play din ako and nag-hype man po ako. Yung po talaga yung ginagawa ko. Yung Senate, ibang liga yon. Ito, ibang liga to. Ibang liga din yung UAP or UAAP. So ngayon, mag-start na yung game. Hintayin natin yung FD or yung field floor director. Ayun siya. Hintayin natin yan. Saka tayo mag-announce ng starting lineup. Okay, okay na daw. Start na daw.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Playtime PhilOil Center here in San Juan City for the continuation of the 19th PhilOil Eco-Oil Preseason Cup.
Ayan, simula na. After more than 2 weeks of break, balik na tayo sa PhilOil.
Matthew Rubicon. Bonus free throw for Matthew Rubicon.
Dito sa PhilOil, na-announce lagi after the game kung sino yung defensive player of the game pati player of the game after the school hymns for both respective teams. So nanalo Letran against Mapua. And for those who don't know, ang laging inuuna sa school hymn is kung sino yung nanalo. Tama na? Kung sino yung nanalo, yun yung nauna school hymn. Kung sino yung losing team, siya yung second na ipi-play na school hymn every after the game.
Our 2020 defensive player of the game with 8 defensive rebounds, 1 steal, and 1 block is number 24, George Damante. And our ABC heavy duty player of the game with 18 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, and 2 steals, number 13, Titi Manalili.
Tapos may makukuha yung defensive player pati yung ABC heavy duty player of the game. Third game for today, UST versus FEU. Yan ang reigning UAAP MVP John Ray Pasaol, and ang Rookie of the Year, Colin Sacoe. Magandang laban to guys. Okay guys, last game for today, Adamson versus Ateneo. Ang maganda dito, first game ng Ateneo this preseason. Ayan ang Adamson, yan ang Ateneo, and you can see Coach Tab Baldwin.
Ladies and gentlemen, our final score is 52 for Adamson University and 72 to your winners, the Ateneo Blue Eagles.
Tapos na yung last game guys, so eto na. Yan yung Adamson, yan yung Ateneo. So waiting na lang ako kasi kailangan ko pa i-announce yung defensive player of the game pati yung player of the game. Then i-announce ko rin kasi kung kailan yung next schedule of game since eto na yung last game. So para at least aware yung mga tao kung kailan yung next game dito sa PhilOil.
Our Bonbenitos defensive player of the game with 5 defensive rebounds and 5 steals is number 19, Joaquin Espina. And our ABC heavy duty player of the game with 17 points and 3 rebounds, number 5, Travis Roberts. Ladies and gentlemen, the action continues on June 9.